What's up, guys? It's Matt here. So we need to talk about cryptocurrency a little bit. Now, I'm not going to have a green screen in the background, nor am I going to have anything that I usually have. I just wanted to talk to you guys because right now my account has risen by over $1,000, and I had previously $6,200 at the peak. I would say in the last maybe like 2 weeks or so, it has grown from $5,000 plus dollars. I think it was $5,600 up to $7,200. Right now we're standing at that point, and I'm going to get into some of the reasons why I did see that increase, and also about just a tactic or method that you should implement in so many different places. You should implement when it comes to mutual funds, crypto, just long-term investments in general, and we'll talk about that. So before we get started in this, make sure you guys hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. You do see that Daisy is right behind me jumping on the couch, but make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, and you check out some of the other links in the description. If you want to follow my reaction channel, definitely do that. That's definitely taken off. So go ahead and check out that channel, and we react to all different types of things. So if you want me to react to something specific, let me know. It doesn't have to be financial based. It could be anything. But let's talk about crypto, because we could see that cryptocurrency has risen a little bit in the last week or so, actually in the last couple of days, because we have seen it drop a little bit after it did increase the first time. But right now I'm seeing certain cryptocurrencies make bigger moves than others, and I wanted to call some of those things out. Now, one of the cryptocurrencies that I was looking at was ICP. ICP was one of those ones that was sitting around $30 worth of value per coin, and now it's sitting at 42. So it's basically $10 up from where it was, growing about 30% from the time of actually buying in. And this is something that I wanted to talk about when I get into my overall method that you should actually take place, and you should put into your index funds and mutual funds and all of that stuff. When people say add in, you have to add it at the right time. But yeah, Internet Computer did rise. I do believe in that position to grow a lot more, to get up to higher and higher levels with such a lowish supply. I definitely could see it get up to these levels once altcoin season really starts to get running. And that's where every time I see it pull back, I'm buying in. Every time I see it rise up, I'm just looking at my benefits, looking at the way that is growing. And it's not something where I'm using up too much of my money, because obviously it's happening over time. Now, Internet Computer is one of those ones that did grow. Also, what we had was Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic made a little bit of a move as well. That went from about $40 or $39 up to $48 as of today's value. So this is something that I definitely see that can get up to higher and higher numbers. Has got up to, I think, 170 in the future, in the past, the recent past. And getting up to 170 with however many you can buy is definitely a great bet, especially if it goes down to something like $30, $39 or $40. That's something where you can easily gain $7 per coin that you have. So this is why I think crypto actually has a lot more room to grow than the stock market. One, because it's 24/7. And two, because you really don't have to worry about that. After hours market, you always have that ability to sell and get out and do whatever you want at any time. It's 24/7. I mean, that's the clear benefit of cryptocurrency, and that it's not as manipulated as the stock market. But that's another position that I did see grow. I also seen some smaller growth in other positions as well. But for me, I would say that those two were the main ones. I did see Litecoin make a little bit of a move from when it was down to about 106, I believe. And now currently it's sitting at 124, 125. And that's definitely a great bet. Yeah, I believe it was down to, I can't remember exactly what it was down to. It was down to about 106, I believe, 106 to 110. I can't remember the exact numbers, but either way, it's up quite a bit. And seeing that grow and buying into more of Litecoin, I think I bought one more Litecoin, was something where I did get some sort of a benefit, because then I gain, $10, $14 out of the deal, whatever it ends up being for one coin that I bought. but then all the other coins I'm buying as well. So I think cryptocurrency had a really good, basically couple of days. Not something to where Dogecoin has actually made a move, or, a bunch of other coins have made a move. I think Bitcoin has made a move as well. It went up to like 34,000. Ethereum went up to 2,100. So everything is really making moves. And this is why I said that it's a better bet if you end up making that move now when it's hitting its lows. And even if it does hit more lows, then you could definitely get that benefit as you see it grow. So ultimately, when I talk about my strategy, or I talk about the overall strategy that you should implement in, mutual funds, index funds, all of that, and crypto, is that when people tell you to continuously invest in something, I think what you should do is buy more. They always say, be greedy when others are fearful, and be fearful when others are greedy. Like, that's basically what you should do. While other people are fearful, when you see that price dropping down to all of these lows, don't say, oh, I'll wait until altcoin season in order to buy into it. No, this is the time. This is the time where you want to put more into it. So when you have your strategy of putting it into an index fund, let's say it's an index fund or a mutual fund it's at $100, right? And it grows to $200 or whatever. You end up seeing that pull back, and you put all your money into there, but it's a mutual fund. You're letting it sit, you're adding more onto it, but it pulls all the way back to $90. Now, this is lower than where you initially invested in. Does that mean you have to worry about, losing money? No, it's something to where it's going to have consistent growth even if it does pull back. And what you need to do is just add more. And while others are fearful, you need to add more than what you would usually add. So instead of you adding your normal $500 a month or $1,000 a month, let's see if you can add $2,000 or $3,000. Add something that will be a little bit more, because others are very fearful. You're greedy. You can see exponential growth if you are doing that. So as you see dips in those months, add more than what you would usually do. And in the regular months, just add what you normally would add. And that's the same thing you should work through with crypto. If you're looking for consistent growth, something that moves like an ETF, even though this is a little more volatile, I think you should always play it like that. You should always play it to where you're putting in money at $100. It drops down to 90 or whatever. It goes up to 50 and then drops down to like 90 or drops down to 110. Then you put in more money. You continue to add to that so that it ends up growing to something that's really, really big in the end. So that's my opinion. Let me know what you think about it. This is literally just general, opinions. I don't say it's advice because I'm not a financial advisor, but that's what I wanted to talk to you guys today. I wanted to talk to you guys about crypto. We know that AMC is doing what it can, but cryptocurrency is definitely the future when it comes to being able to gain a lot out of investing. But that's my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Let me know what you think about cryptocurrency in general, because it is a great topic. It's a great thing to get into. But I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. So again, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.